The reporting in the Details window of the simulation task environment has been improved. It now contains an entry as soon as you switch collision check or limit violation on or off. If you are currently in a collision and switch off collision checking, this will be reported in the Details window and all the highlighting will be switched off. As soon as you switch on any of the collision checking options, the current position will be immediately checked. In addition to that, we aligned all the collision messages. They now always follow the same structure and the naming has been aligned with the naming of the toggle buttons in the ribbon.